Looking for top-notch awning installation services in Crestview, Florida? Our team specializes in custom awnings, providing both residential awnings Crestview FL and commercial awnings Crestview. Whether you need retractable awnings, Crestview, or aluminum awnings Crestview, we have the perfect solution for your needs. Our Awning Windows Crestview, Florida customization services ensure that your awnings are tailored to your specific requirements, enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your property. Energy-efficient windows Crestview are a must-have for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our window replacement services in Crestview, Florida offer a wide range of options, including vinyl windows, Crestview FL, and storm protection windows Crestview. With our window upgrades Crestview, Florida, you can enjoy enhanced insulation and reduced noise, making your home more energy efficient and comfortable. For those in need of window replacement services, our Crestview window replacement experts are here to help. We provide comprehensive window consultation Crestview, Florida to assess your needs and recommend the best solutions. From window sealing Crestview FL to window glazing Crestview, Florida, our team ensures your windows are in top condition, providing maximum efficiency and protection. Awning maintenance Crestview, Florida is essential to prolong the life of your awnings. Our awning cleaning services Crestview ensure that your awnings remain in pristine condition, free from dirt and debris. We also offer awning accessories Crestview FL and awning fabric Crestview to enhance the durability and appearance of your awnings. Trust our team for all your Awning Windows Crestview FL framework needs, ensuring your awnings are sturdy and reliable. Window design services. Crestview offer a variety of options to suit your style and preferences. Whether you're interested in window tinting Crestview or window hardware Crestview FL, our team provides expert guidance and installation. Our window insulation Crestview, Florida services help maintain a comfortable indoor environment, reducing energy consumption and enhancing your home's value. In Crestview, Florida, custom awnings are a popular choice for homeowners and businesses alike. Our team specializes in creating unique designs that complement your property's architecture. With our expertise in Awning Windows Crestview FL, you can enjoy the perfect blend of style and functionality. Our awning installation services Crestview ensure a seamless process from start to finish, providing you with high-quality results that stand the test of time. For businesses, commercial awnings Crestview offer an excellent way to attract customers and enhance curb appeal. Our team provides a range of options, including retractable awnings Crestview and aluminum awnings Crestview, to suit your specific needs. With our awning customization Crestview, Florida services, you can create a unique look that sets your business apart from the competition. Window upgrades Crestview, Florida are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to improve their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our team offers a variety of options, including energy-efficient windows Crestview and storm protection windows Crestview to meet your needs.